Every time you write my face, I do wanna say.
Good morning, happy Sunday. It's officially June. I need to change that today. June 1st, baby. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Peyton, and if you've been here before, welcome back. It's June 1st. It's a Sunday. So, I think it's time we do a Sunday reset and pretty much just prepare to take over the world. I'm about to head on over to the grocery store. That I have a list. Yesterday at the store, I got a book that has a whole meal plan section and a spot where I can rip out my grocery list. So I'm very excited for that. We're gonna do that, clean up. All of those back there are full of laundry. For work, I'm helping build a social media agency, and starting tomorrow, we have 5 new clients joining us. So very exciting, but I want to prep very well for that. It's 8:35. I slept in a little today. I didn't really want to, but here we are. Can't go back. Let's get about our day. Time flies. No. No. I used to download every single song, okay? Like SpongeBob. Like any of this music coming on. Can't go wrong with Coldplay. Let there be sun. My neighbors are also nice. I kind of love grocery shopping, and I really want to get some more tea. I could use a cup of tea already. This is what it looks like behind the scenes when I'm trying to film introductions for videos. Yeah. I love my grocery shopping videos, so kind of nervous. Let's go grocery shopping as someone that's trying to stay underneath. Let's go grocery shopping as someone who's trying to stay around $50 and prioritizing Whole Foods. Is that it? Yeah. And I never watch it back. I just go, 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 go. So pretty. I love when it lights up near me. I feel like I'm on a runway. Ooh. We're getting a lot. Where did I got in, there they are. I'm gonna go cancel my gym membership though, because I've been trying to the last week and I just haven't had time. It's on the other side of town, but I'm gonna pick up a little tea along the way. I just need to do it before I head home so I don't get charged again. Before I head home to Illinois, because I'm going next month and I'm so excited. I just need to get it done before I forget, because I keep putting remind me tomorrow, remind me tomorrow, remind me tomorrow. I just remembered they have such bad hours over the weekend. Don't even know if they're open, and it's 9:45. They're closed until 11, but there's so many cars here. It's a YMCA. We'll try. Because I need this thing canceled. I got a honey citrus mint tea from Starbucks. I've noticed they switch the mint tea sometime. I like when it's the other one. $100. It's officially June, which is terrifying. Oh gosh, I hate my handwriting on the board. 30 days has September, April, June. Memorial Day vlog is going up today. 213 days until the end of the year. And get back. There's so much going on in my brain, it's kind of crazy. But I wanted to show you two things I got. Today when I was out, I got my meal plan book. So I used it this morning. A full page looks like. Your grocery list, and then you can plan out your meals. Like, I haven't planned anything out except some snacks. I plan on having smoothies, yogurt bowls. I had ChatGPT help me write my grocery list. I didn't forget anything. So I know I'm making hot honey chicken sandwiches, sliders, ham and cheese sliders, and then breakfast bowls. A nourishment bowl is what Chat called it. Just like chicken, rice, cucumbers, all that stuff. And then also, see if I actually use this. I bought a budgeting book because if you watched my last vlog, you would know that I deleted all of my budgeting Google Sheets from this year. We're going back to pen and paper. I do think it's so funny. I'm someone that has indoor and outdoor shoes because I walk on my treadmill so much. I should be walking on it more. It just makes sense to have indoor and outdoor. It says my phone doesn't have storage. It's just ridiculous. Okay, it's time I just delete all these videos, I think. Let's see if they're backed up to my laptop. This is so loud for no reason. And I'm drinking also electrolytes. Yeah, I'm gonna go through and really delete a ton of stuff right now. Awesome! I just got a lead. When I'm always airdropping stuff, I can't really do anything else. So I feel like I'm just wasting my time. I could walk. Ugh. I just whipped up some burger sliders, which were amazing. And then I remembered I had laundry. I hate laundry. I always just wear the same clothes anyways, because it's then clean and it's on top of everything else, you know. So many socks. Honestly, I'm kind of fine, so this is going on. Whatever. Yeah, before you watch it unfold. Oh! I want a face mask. Yes, sirs!
Pacers won.
Pacers won. Are you going right? Yeah. Look at, and then look to the left. They have the yes sirs. We're gonna go buy Pacers shirts because now we're Pacers fans because they won last night and are in the finals. And then get face masks. And I want a drink.
We could share this one, I guess.
This is my favorite section. Oh my gosh. They have so many. Look at this. It's like sparkly. Look.
Different texture.
This one's nice. Very nice.
I still love Betty too.
We walked out like bandits.
Gigi wants to.
You want to be in my vlog?
Today. No, Auntie. Oh, I will.
It smells so good. See, they just smell the flowers too. That place is so good. What is that?
Firecracker pop.
Like those icy pops? Oh no. Don't worry, I'm not getting it. It smells so good. I want a glass this big to put coffee in. I'm trying a frosted lemonade at home. Vanilla and lemonade. I've never tried it with this protein. I need to get another vanilla protein. I also don't think I've ever actually made it like this. I've done it in a Ninja Creamy before, so we'll see. This could be a complete fail. I'm a little hungry. Definitely need some ice. I really need to get a good vanilla protein powder. I have all these weird flavors, but not a vanilla. It's the protein. Yeah. I'll still drink it though, because it's like fine, but don't recommend. Feel my heart. Now I have to use my creative brain. I have literally 4 glasses that all had something in them. That is ridiculous. I hate how I'm a carry everything in one trip person. Yeah, let's get to washing. I didn't finish my electrolyte. It's definitely laundry time. Got a cute little face mask we're gonna do later. My tripod. Oh no, I'm gonna have to put y'all down because I have to carry those. Okay. This is what it looks like when I'm trying to record everything. I don't know if I'm being dumb. Whew. It's a lot of back and forth. I think it's funny watching. I feel like I need to wear this today to be festive. I want to take a very good shower. It's 5 o'clock. I'm getting at least 15,000 steps, so I'll probably go for a walk after I eat some ribs. Ow, I got some ribs from the farmer's market the other day that were phenomenal. Very nice, very nice. Then I need some PJs for tonight. Don't mind the jeans up there. Those were in my closet before. I don't know how. Really nice being able to work from home much all the time now because it makes my laundry so much easier. I'm just wearing t-shirts, hoodies, unless I go somewhere. But my t-shirts are so full. You're probably wondering why I don't sleep in this bed. That's so funny. This is my bedroom upstairs. I have the upstairs pretty much to myself. I can give a little tour one day. I have my office space up here. Absolutely love it. But my bed is still, like my bed that I bought is in Illinois with my parents. I moved back not right after I graduated college. After I graduated and I moved out of North Dakota. That's where I went to school. I moved everything back home. Thought I was going to be living in Illinois. And obviously I don't anymore. I live in Indiana. But I took all of my furniture except my bed. I can give a whole story about moving to Indy, but it was in no one's plan. So where I live now, there's a bed there. And the one that I do sleep in just isn't in my space I have up here. It's downstairs, but it's so much comfier. Just since I have the ability to sleep in it, I joke around and say I have pretty much 2 bedrooms. But yeah, it's also hotter up here, so I prefer sleeping downstairs. Sometimes I sleep up here, but I don't think I have for the last 2 weeks, which is a long time for me. I wasn't able to get a full, comes with a little spoon. Okay. I wasn't able to do a full Sunday reset, like clean and everything today. Sadly, I really wanted to, but hopefully throughout the week I can just keep my space nice and clean. I did pretty good doing that this week. Hopefully I can do that again and maybe get a little clean midweek or something. Got my laundry done. What else? Kitchen space is all cleaned up. I got groceries. I wasn't able to meal prep. I'm not sure if I will do that today. I just want to batch make my meat. We'll see. Today I still would like to kind of at least plan the meals I intend on making. Like I said, budgeting, still have to do that. I really do want to plan the rest of my week just because it might get a little crazy. I think I said earlier we have 5 clients starting this week, which is a lot. So definitely going to be focusing a ton. I want to make sure I prioritize if I have to pick and choose instead of cleaning my space. My space is still pretty clean. This is where you have to pick, one or the other. I'm going to be prioritizing then taking a full body shower, washing my hair, face mask, hair mask, shaving my legs, and making sure I could set up my calendar. Because it's already 5, I want to get a walk in and just really relax for the rest of the night. It's hard for me having to pick, but that's something I'm focusing on, is not trying to do everything. So let's go make some dinner. I'm gonna get my ribs heated up. If you saw my last video, you know how much I was obsessed with this sourdough bread. They were back at the farmer's market this week, so you know I had to get it. Reheating this, oh my gosh, at the Carmel Farmer's Market. And then this I get at the Noblesville. Also using a paper plate if I don't feel like doing dishes. Yeah. Warm that up. This smells so good. My mouth is now salivating. I honestly pulled the toast out early. But this is my dinner. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It's so hot. Okay, it's time we take the everything shower. It's gonna be a long one. I'm about to have a YouTube video going because I have one of these phone stands in my shower. This is seriously amazing makeup remover. If you know, whoa, I put way too much there. The brand Elemis, and they're a cleansing balm. This is it, but the drugstore version. I want to say it's $10 to $15. I can't remember. It lasted me quite a while, and you just saw how much I put on. But I love this stuff. I don't think I can ever go back to just using micellar water. Ugh. Wow. Jump scare. I always get in my eyes though. But see, look, my eyes aren't even burning really. Melts off now. Boom. And then once I get out of the shower and wash my face, I'm going to be using my new face mask. Can't wait to take this long shower. That felt so good. Words cannot explain. Definitely let you know how this mask feels after I try it. Time to get ready for bed. It's 6:20, just fully showered, obviously. Very long week. Make sure to follow my other socials to just follow along and see what I got going on after this is posted. I'm excited to see how we handle those 5 new clients all at once. I know we have the systems in place to do so, but I'm excited to see work goes, things on social go. And most importantly, I'm excited to see how my health and wellness continues to get better. So thanks for following along on this Sunday. I'll probably end the night by journaling and reading and then getting to bed at a good time because we have an early wake-up call at 4:30 tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next video. Bye.